My channel, and if you are new here, my name's Shawna. If you're wondering why I'm sitting on the floor of my apartment, it's just because right now this is like the best lighting I got right now. But today I thought I'd kind of do like an unboxing kind of video. This would be like my first one. I've only got like one PR package from here, really, like everything else I ordered, but I kind of like watching these like PR unboxings, so I thought maybe you guys would probably like watching them as well. And also, if you hear some like loud noise and like partying, there is a party going down by the pool, which is not good. You should be social distancing right now, and yeah, so I apologize in advance for that, but without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so the first package I have here is actually from BoxyCharm. It's a replacement item because one of my items got like damaged, and I'm just gonna try and open this real quick for you guys. Also, I wiped all of my packages down because of coronavirus, and like I don't want to really be touching everything. So yeah, I already wiped all this down, and it's the Wander, I think it's Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. It looks like this. I don't know if you can see. And I kind of, oh, there's tape. Let's open it, why not? Ooh, okay, so the packaging is like kind of like a grainy leather texture, and oh, it's not shattered, thank God. This looks like a highlight, not bronze. Okay, yeah, that's definitely a highlight shade, not a bronzer shade, but it'll do. I'm fine with blush and highlight as well. Next, I got another package, and it's from Revolve, and you know, this is like my first Revolve purchase, but I thought, why not? Ooh, oh, huh, interesting. Hold on, let me. So this is from the brand For the Love and Lemons. Yeah. So this is the top. It looks like that. It's a little crop top with like these puffy sleeves. I thought it looked so cute on the model, and I'm trying to show you guys. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a pink, purple, green, like it's just very colorful, and it's like a floral print. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Very cute. Now for the PR package. This is what I got. It's from Campus Trendsetters, and they basically send like a community care package to some of their trendsetters, and it's very heavy. Like I think the description thing said it was 9 pounds, which is kind of concerning. I wonder like what's in here. Oh my god, Lord, let me show you guys. So there's like all of this stuff, and right here it says community care package. I'm sorry the lighting is just like so bad, but this is like, oh my god, this stuff, holy cow. Like what in the world is all of this? Wait, is this a Tide to Go pen? What is this? Bartleby, your guide to better learning. What is it? So that package had like a whole bunch of stuff, but let me go back to like this little Bartley thing. I thought it was a pen, but it's actually hand sanitizer. Like it's a spray hand sanitizer, and Bartley is at Bartleby. That's how you say it, Bartleby. Is actually like a little online thing to help you study in college, and like just like helps you with your schoolwork and like writing and stuff like that. And they also sent over a water bottle, which is very good because I need a new water bottle. They also sent over this Absolute New York Freshly Bitten lip gloss, and I don't know if you can tell the color of it. It's like an orangey kind of color, but it's a lip gloss, so it might be sheer. And then they also sent over from the same brand this 3-in-1 complexion and eye brush. And I don't know if you can see, let me try to bring it in closer. There's like a little eye brush, a sponge, and a little like a big fluffy brush to use all over your face. And it's basically 3-in-1, so you can use it like, I feel like this would be really good for traveling, because you have like everything right there. Also sent over a whole bunch of CeraVe, it's a hydrating cream to foam cleanser, And they sent it in like this little bottle. It's like a very nice travel size, but they sent like a lot of it. They also sent over a whole bunch of Beauty Blender Bounce foundation in like different shades. And I'm excited to try this. I haven't tried this yet, so I'm really excited that I got samples of it to try. And let me show you guys the samples, because it's like kind of like a cool concept. Like you still do like the pressing down thing like with the normal foundation bottle. And yes, thank you Beauty Blender for this. Next, this is the last thing that was in the PR package, but I got products from Batiste. Oh my god. I got the waterless cleansing foam. Is this supposed to be like a dry shampoo? I think this is supposed to be like a dry shampoo. It looks like that. The little travel sizes as well, which is very convenient because I like to keep one in my purse or like backpack, and just like when I travel as well. And then the dry shampooing second. Yeah, it looks like that. And then they also sent over the volumizing dry shampoo. They sent over a lot, so I may or may not do a giveaway or put them in a giveaway. But yeah, that was all that was in the PR package. Now the last thing I have to open up is from BoxyCharm. This is my September BoxyCharm. I recently subscribed to the premium subscription, so I get like 6 or 7 items per month from this. And let's see what's inside, like what it looks like. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. Wait, I see Marc Jacobs. Okay, I got the Dewdrops coconut highlighter in the color 50 Do You. It looks like this. It's a light shade, which is good for my complexion. I know they had like dark shades too. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little upset because I don't see it in here right now. But they had like the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial, and I kind of wish I got that, but this is still good. I like it. Next, oh my god, I got the ice roller. It's for your face, like the ones that you put, this is from Kitsch, Kitsch. And it's basically one of those that you put in your refrigerator, and then you just roll it on your face to like depuff your under eyes or your face in general. A Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Liner in the color Vivid Sapphire. Let's see what this looks like. It looks like this. I don't know. I'm sorry the lighting's like kind of bad, but so it's like one of these retractable pens. And let me swatch this. It looks black on camera right now because the lighting's just terrible, but in person it looks very blue. It's like a dark blue, but I don't have any blue eyeliner, so this is exciting. That's like one of the things that I like about BoxyCharm, is that I get products I wouldn't necessarily try. Like I wouldn't necessarily reach for like a blue eyeliner, but I don't have any, so I thought like why not try it out. Now we have the Milk Makeup Kush Lip Scrub. Ooh, okay, wait, this looks very exciting. Oh, this is what like the packaging looks like. And when you open it up, I just got a lip scrub too. Should have waited. But it looks like this. Sorry, I'm like right in front of a window, so it like kind of looks weird right now. And when you open it up, it looks like a little lip balm, but it's the lip scrub. And it looks like that. Ooh, okay, it has like a magnetic kind of top. I don't know if you can like see that. Next up, ooh, okay, I got the Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. Increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, antioxidant protection. And this is from Emma Hardy. I used the Kiehl's Recovery Night Serum Oil, or no, it's a facial oil. I like that one, so I'm actually very interested in trying this one. Very interesting. This is like a product that I have to try out like for a month or something to see any difference, but I'm still excited to try this. But not least, I have the Eloise the Queen palette. I saw some like sneak peeks of the palette, and I'm really excited about it. It looks amazing. And so this is what the packaging looks like. It comes with a big mirror. I'll show you guys that in a second. But these colors though, see, you can see like a mirror. And then these colors, I mean, come on. I am more of like a neutral palette kind of person, and again, like this is why I love BoxyCharm, because I get products that I wouldn't necessarily go out and buy, and I got like a palette like this, and I've been wanting to get another palette that has like a lot more color in it and stuff like that, just because I have so many more neutral palettes. And look at that bright pink and that like teal green kind of shade is speaking to me. I love this purple one. There's like a gold one up there. I kind of want to swatch them actually. Holy cow. This is the... I wish you can see better. I'm sorry, the lighting is just so bad. This is Sovereign. That is so pretty. This pink shade is Elizabeth. I didn't dig in that much. That's why it's not like looking too great. Also, again, the lighting just doesn't make anything better. This is the gold shade Ronnie right there, and then this is like a purple shimmer shade in the color Powerful right there at the end. That one is really pretty. Okay, wow, I love this palette. The shimmer shades really stand out a lot more than the matte shade. I mean, I only swatched like one matte shade, but from what I've noticed, the mattes look like they're pigmented, but you probably have to build them. So I forgot to mention that in the Campus Trendsetters PR package, they sent over these Lola 100% cotton tampons, and you can also use this code HILOLA25 for 25% off your order. So that is it for the video, you guys. I know this is like a very short unboxing kind of video, but I don't know, I kind of liked watching these videos, so I thought maybe you would like watching it. I only got like one PR package really, but like it had like a lot of stuff in it. Trust me, like if you saw how much stuff was in it, there's a lot. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed videos like these, please let me know in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up so I know you liked this video. And if you like me, my channel, and my other videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified every time I post a new video, don't forget to click the little bell icon right next to it so you're notified every time I post a new video. And that is it, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.